Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to add team members into your Trello board. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add team members into your Trello board, you just simply have to open this Trello application into your device. Then after that, you will get to see all of the boards that you have. Now you just simply have to select one of those and then tap into these three dots into the top right. And from there, you will get to see this members section into here. Just simply tap into this invite option in order to add the members. Now, you will have to enter either name, email or username of a person who you want to invite. And after successfully writing down the username of the person, tap into this plus icon besides their name. Then after doing this, the people will successfully be added to your board. This way you can easily add team members into your board in Trello. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.